embarrassed. I am doing a Valentine's collab video and I searched my closet and I don't own anything red. I just don't look good in red and I don't have anything red. So I apologize for not wearing red. But I am so excited nonetheless, and I am doing this collab with 4 other wonderful YouTubers. I got my little cheat sheet here. I am doing it with Jenny from Jenny June, and actually I sent her her box, and I am also doing it with Vicki from West Coast Wiik, and she sent me a box. And then Laura from Lifestyles of Laura, who put this whole collab together. So thank you so much, Laura. And then Sue from Reviews with Sue. You have to check them all out. Sue's got a adorable intro to her channel. But all these ladies are so wonderful. You can't say that enough about really almost any YouTuber that you watch, because they're all such wonderful ladies. I can't talk. It's probably too much caffeine. Oh my God, it's gonna be a long video. So the links for all the ladies will be below. So please check out all their channels and give them a thumbs up if you like their video. So again, I got mine from Vicki, and it's this huge box. So let's get into it. And I met Vicki, she's a small YouTuber, and I think I won her first giveaway. And we've been friends ever since. But she has banned me from winning any more giveaways. She won't even enter a giveaway if I've entered, because she knows she won't win against me. So I've stopped entering any giveaways that she's entered. So Robyn, have a wonderful Valentine's Day. So if I had a place to pin this, I would pin this, because I just can't believe I don't own anything red. And I know Vicki. I think we've done several collabs together, and she always gets me, which is a wonderful thing. She's such a wonderful person. So the first thing, she has it, she always wraps, she does like crafts, she makes cards, like birthday cards, thank you cards. So whenever she sends me a card, she hand makes it, and they're beautiful. I did a collab with her, Amateur Sass, Linda. I will leave the link above where Linda styled us, and she did a phenomenal job. So I will leave that link. You have to check out that. Linda did it on a budget, and I just don't know how she did it. So I wonder what is, oh. Cactus oven. Oh, they're clipboards. How cute is that? If you've come from another channel and you've never watched me before, I live in Arizona, and if you comment on my channel or I comment on your channel, I always leave cactus. So this is a cactus clipboard. These are cactus file folders. Oh, and what is this? Oh, and cactus notes. Oh my God, Vicki, you're totally awesome. How great is this? And I'm trying to get more organized, especially with my YouTube channel. Just with the boxes I get and the boxes that I want to get and the YouTubers that I watch, because I try to take notes, especially with makeup looks, the products that they use. I'm like, I want to write them down. I have so much makeup right now, but somebody will use a product and I'm like, wait, I don't have that. So this is perfect. to Vicki. And then it's kind of soft and squishy. I had to film so many videos that I had to kick Dennis out of the house today. Because sometimes he'll be like, well, I'll just go in the bedroom while you film. Well, he can't hear. And he'll go in the bedroom and then he'll get on the phone and I'll go to edit my videos and I can hear him. And then half the time he's talking to somebody that can't hear either, so they're both trying to out-talk each other. And it's like, really? You just need to leave. Ooh, ooh. Is this cactus? Oh my God. This thing is so soft and it's a throw with cactus. Oh my gosh, Vicki, where did you find this? I actually have been looking. I keep a blanket on the couch when we watch TV at night. I wrap myself up. It could be 110 outside and I still need to have a blanket on. Oh my God, this is so soft. Okay. And look, she's wrapped them individually. Please check out everybody's channel. I hope Jenny liked the stuff I sent her. I don't know her well enough to know if she has like a favorite thing. And it's funny because I know she loves makeup. She does a lot of makeup unboxings. And I watch pretty much all of her unboxings. But she was unboxing something the other day and she goes, oh, I have way too much. I can't get any more. And I'm like, oh, and I was gonna get her a bunch of stuff. Okay, what is this? Shake and Shot Rubber Hydro Mask. Oh, I was kind of hoping it had liquor in it. Now, besides cactus, I'm a maskaholic. And you actually shake and it comes out with a mask. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, that is awesome. I'm a maskaholic and I've never seen this. Okay, I have never done a live, a live stream or whatever. Vicki's done them. I have never done one, so I'm gonna do one with my shot. I have never attempted to do it because I figured I would just screw it up. Oh my God, Vicki, where did you find all this stuff? I can't wait to check out everybody's video. It posts, I'm filming this on Wednesday. It posts Friday for Valentine's Day. Duh. When you get to be my age, you don't really, Valentine's Day just isn't a big deal. Okay. Oh! The Monterey ballpoint pens. Oh, and she knows I like pens. Oh, can you see there's such a glare? That is awesome. This is so much fun. I hope you guys are having a great Valentine's Day. And if you have special plans, please leave them below. We probably won't do much of anything. You know, our town is about 2 feet long. It consists of maybe 1 or 2 restaurants, Spa Life Smoothing foot socks. She knows I like these. She got them in one of her boxes. She got some hand and feet masks and she was kind enough to send them to me because she said she wouldn't use them. So she knows I like those. And I think there's a couple more things in here. Ooh, I think I know what this is. Ooh, 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 ooh. oh, dark chocolate, sea salt caramel. She asked if I liked white chocolate or dark chocolate. And of course I said any chocolate would do. It will not go to waste. And let's see what else we got in here. She's so creative. I just love her. Ooh, Linder caramel milk chocolate truffle bar. Okay, before I edit this video, those will be gone. And Linder milk chocolate truffle bar. Okay, so not helping my diet. Just want to make sure I got everything. Oh, could it be another chocolate bar? See, this is why I don't film when he's so. We went to, they have this old mining town near us. It's got, I guess they were official, it was like a post office and a bar and a little jail cell. So we took some out-of-towners there yesterday for lunch, and they have a fudge shop. And we got, it's gold, it actually has gold flakes in it, fudge that had caramel in it. And guess who's actually been eating most of it? It's him. iPads hot and cold. And I have some iPads that I got a while back for eyes, and they're in the refrigerator. He keeps taking them out. He goes, "What are these?" I go, "You have to keep them in the refrigerator for them to work." So this is great, just in case he throws them out. So Vicki, thank you so much. I love everything in the box. Of course, you know my favorite is the chocolate. So this was such a fun collab to do. I just love doing these type of collabs. And please check out Vicki, Jenny, Sue, and Laura's channel. And because they're all wonderful YouTubers. Have a great Valentine's Day, and thanks for taking some time out of your day to spend with me. Bye-bye.